We're done with fixing the stand and the stand moving freely without touching anywhere. Hey all, welcome to Bites and Throttle. Today, you and me will go together and will fix a center stand on my Suzuki Gixxer SF155. You don't need more explanation about the use of a center stand, right? Okay, for setting up, we need some materials. A center stand, a cushion, 2 bolts, 2 nuts, spring 1 and spring 2. All the materials I am using here belongs to Gixxer 155 2019 model, and I got this for around $700 from Suzuki's Authorized service center. I will add the part number and the price details in the description box if you would like to build one. Including all this, you need 2 14mm spanner, a good quality cable and a healthy friend who can hold the bike when you are installing the spring to the stand. As an initial setup, let's fix the cushion to the center stand. It's not that easy, but it is doable. Here is the location where you need to fix the center stand, and you can find the similar one on the other side of the bike too. Once the bolt passes through the stand and the frame, fix a nut and tighten it with the help of 14mm spanner. We're done with fixing the stand and the stand moving freely without touching anywhere. We are going to fix the spring between this bar, the one behind the pedal, to the stand. Drop the smaller spring into the larger one and make sure the edges are close and parallel so that it fits correctly and won't slip out from the stand. With the help of an wire, stretch and drop the larger spring, that is spring number 1, to the stand. And for removing the cable, we need to just pull the cable up and out. And follow the same on the smaller spring, that is spring number 2. As it is a brand new spring, unfortunately we couldn't able to drop the second spring. It's so hard and we exhausted in short time. Later a friend from a local mechanic shop helped us within no time. And here is it after fixing. You can see that it is not touching the cat converter. It has an ample space between the cat converter and even the chain. Use this center stand only at the time of chain lubing, wheel cleaning and puncture type of situation. Remember one thing guys, the curb weight of SF155 is around 161 kg and the Gixxer 155 is 141 kg. I hope the stand will overcome the extra 20 kg of load. Since it attached to the chassis, for a safer side, never use the center stand with human load. My comment box is open for all your suggestions and opinion. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up.